Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. This video I'll show I am just write a love story with ChatGPT, then I will forward image generator with LeonardoAI image generator. Okay, now RunwayML AI. I'm just create 4 video to 4 video. So guys, now I am just import here Filmora applications and I'm just edit 4 video and make final result. Okay, number 2, I'm just cut this video. Okay, so guys, I'm just import 4 video and finish the line and cuteness and first. So guys, now this is the look is awesome, and I'm just write a poem and convert text to voice poem, then finish the video. So guys, next video I will show how to convert ChatGPT poem to voice. So goodbye and keep watching this video and keep watching my channel. Subscribe and set all notification. Goodbye.